Welcome back to this new video TechRest. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way how to change the actual language to country or even the region and the whole country. So the first thing you want to do is the 180-day rules. So the cooling off period, Steam only allows you to change your region once every 3 to 6 months depending on the account history. To make that happen, you wanted to focus for your account details. Directly here through my account details, I wanted to make sure that I can go for the update the elements directly from my store preferences. Now, if you're not able to check out the stored preferences, what you can do is to go focused into your language preferences, for example. And here what I can do is to change the primary languages, I can change the secondary languages, additional game contents, and hit for the element that says save. When you finish with this element, you can, for example, focus into some notification settings or even played test list. Now, something else that you can do is that if you don't see the store country, you can focus all your way down and you can see that here should be appearing an actual flag. So you can be changing that element later. Go back directly through my actual store purchases. Let's go directly through my wallet. When I click directly down here, it says the amount of money that I currently have. I have the element that says store and purchase history. Now here, I go to choose the element that says country, and it says if you have moved to a different country, I needed to update this manually. So I go for the element that says update store country. So your country is part of your Steam account setting, blah blah blah. So if you have a new country you're living, you can update your Steam directly inside here. Now, it says if you're unable to complete a purchase using a payment method from the region you have moved, please contact Steam support. So basically here you will be having now access to changing the actual update preferences here. So once you finish with changing that element, you're actually good to go. If this won't let you continue, you might want to contact the Steam support in order to continue, and you can hit for the element that says contact them and you can tell them exactly what will be happening with the actual steps here. Now this is where the most people fail because you enter credit card details. To finalize the changes, you must use the payment method you issued to this specific country, otherwise it just won't work and you might be having to change the actual country of residence once more. And lastly, if you wanted to use a VPN risked, using a VPN to trick Steam, sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. I strongly suggest that you don't tempt the destiny here because sometimes it just won't work. So basically this had a really easily way how you can actually get started. You update your region only when you actually move or stay long term. Your library would follow you wherever you go. So if you want to know how to gift games, how to friend different regions, and much more about Steam, you can let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully we can all see you all next time.